suspicious, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Iran's powerful military wing, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, better known as the IRGC, they have made a bold claim. According to Iranian state media, IRGC naval forces carried out a large-scale drone operation targeting the American aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln. That's right, CVN 72 and in the waters of the Sea of Oman. Iranian outlets say that the drones were launched near the country's southern coastline and headed towards the US carrier strike group, operating thousands of kilometers away. Now wait, here's where the story gets interesting. Iranian broadcasters, including the Press TV, reported that the carrier, a massive 100,000-ton floating military base, was operating roughly 340 kilometers from Iran's maritime borders when the alleged drone strike happened. In the meantime, Iranian officials claimed that the drones were domestically produced and designed to fly low over the sea, making them harder for the radar systems to detect. According to the narrative coming from Tehran, the attack created very tough pressure that the American carrier group, including several destroyers escorted it, moved away from the area at very high speed. But remember here, aircraft carrier like the USS Abraham Lincoln, they are among the most heavily defended military assets on the planet Earth. They travel with full strike group that includes the guided missile destroyer, radar aircraft, electronic warfare system, and layered military defenses. Now these systems, they are specifically designed to detect and destroy the incoming threats such as drones or missiles long before they reach the carrier itself. So, the real question, what exactly happened in the Sea of Oman? Well, Iran says its drone, it forced the US fleet to back off. Western officials, however, has not really confirmed any successful strike on the carrier. And that leaves the analysts asking an important question. Was this a real military confrontation or part of the growing information war between Washington and Tehran? Well, what Times XP knows so far is the waters around Iran have become one of the most sensitive military zones in the world. The nearby Strait of Hormuz carries nearly 1/5 of the global oil shipment. Any clash over here, even a small one, can instantly shake the global market and trigger a wider regional crisis. And right now, tensions are already running dangerously high. American naval forces continue to patrol the region while Iran's IRGC Navy frequently conducts the drone flight, missile drills, and fast boat maneuvers designed to show its ability to challenge the Western fleet in the Persian Gulf, which basically means that this alleged drone encounter, whether confirmed or not, highlights a larger reality. The skies over the Gulf, they are crowded with surveillance aircraft. Warships from multiple countries are on alert. Drones are becoming cheaper, smarter, and numerous. And yes, in modern warfare, even a small, unmanned aircraft can suddenly become a strategic weapon. So the real question, ladies and gentlemen, is not just what happened near USS Abraham Lincoln. The real question is this: are we watching the early signs of a new kind of naval warfare in the Middle East? One where swarms of drones challenge billion-dollar warships. Because if that battle truly